Hello Wadsworth Public Library family, this is Julie Tenney and this is number 2 of our gardening series. And last time I gave you an assignment of going around your yard and trying to see where you could find to put your own garden. And this is the time where we want to get the soil ready, but we're not putting anything in the ground yet. So I'm just going to go over a few things that you would need around your, maybe you have them in your garage already or another, maybe borrow them from a neighbor. But we have, I'll just show you a few tools that we use around here when we're doing our gardens and some of our smaller areas where we garden. So the first thing, everybody should have one of these at home anyways. If you're planting flowers at your house, almost everybody has a spade shovel. You use this just to plant flowers or other plants in the ground. The next thing is it's great, like a little tiller, but it's a micro one where you can use this to move around the soil, loosen up the weeds, be able to pull them out a little bit easier. And it's a great way to mix soils together. So if you have potting soil and clay together and you're trying to make a nice soil, this is a good tool to use to do that. What we use around our house for just our pretty flowers, we use these. We have several of these, and I'll put these on our porch, but these are great for container gardens. If you just wanted to plant a few tomatoes or pepper plants, these little pots would be great as long as you have a good sunny area. Not on a covered porch, but a good sunny area. You could use these for container gardening around your yard even, or on your or an open porch, or in your backyard somewhere. So if you don't want to cultivate and till up a whole bunch of land, or even a 5x5 area, this is a good way to get started in gardening and having your own fresh produce at home. Always, you're probably not going to want to go get it right now. You're supposed to be leaving your house, but having potting soil would be a good thing to start getting in your pots, or at least thinking about that, and getting dirt all over you. But make sure you have potting soil. But you can mix potting soil with the other soil around your yard, and it makes a pretty good soil because there's already natural things in there, like your earthworms. There's already good things in your soil, whereas the potting soil doesn't have that yet. If you are not doing container gardening and you were going to do a normal, I would say normal, a 5x5 or a 6x6 little garden, you're going to till that up, you're going to need a hoe, okay, and a garden rake. Oh, there they go, a garden rake. And these are all necessary tools, but you really don't need more than this. A garden rake, a spade shovel, and a hoe will get you almost any garden, but those are your basic gardening tools. Are 3 things: a spade shovel, a hoe, and a garden rake. And if you have a bigger area, a tiller is nice. That's not what everybody has lying around. So that's pretty much all I have for you as far as getting those essential tools together, and there aren't very many. So hopefully you already have those in your garage, but if you don't, maybe you'll find them at a garage sale. That's all I have for you today. You guys have a wonderful day.